Right, so you've dragged me down here. I was on my way to the studio. Is this something important? Because you've got 2 boxes here. We did unboxings the other day. What was with the emergency call?
I've got a surprise for you, Gav.
You got 2 surprises.
I've got a set.
A set?
I don't know if that's the right word.
But what was the rush? Because you said, I mean, literally, we did these 2 days ago, and now. So hold on a second. And you're wearing green. I may need to find a hat. This can only mean these 2 watches.
The Riddler.
The Riddler.
Hi everybody, welcome back.
Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. This is a midweek special for me.
Midweek.
My hairs on my arms have gone up because I'm just touching these boxes. And you called me this morning and you said, Gav, what are you doing today? And I told you I've got studio filming, I've got a music video to shoot all afternoon, I'm directing. And you said,
Get down here now.
Whatever you're doing, get down here now. Our studio's around the corner in Elstree. And so here I am. So, Kaylie, come on, is this it?
This is it. And the first person I thought of was Gav, obviously, because...
And our viewers and subscribers.
Yeah, but I thought, as soon as I saw this, I was like, I have to get Gavin here.
Amazing. So,
then obviously show you guys.
Perfect. Right, let's get straight into it. Rolex boxes. Can I choose?
Yeah, pick left or right.
Well, lefty. I'm going to go with the left-hand box.
Okay.
My left-hand. Oh, let's do it for the viewers. The left-hand box for the viewers.
Okay, so let's move this one out the way.
Okay, so open these up. Well, I obviously know it's Rolex because I saw the outside of the boxes. I can see they've all got their papers on. I'm so excited I can't even...
You need to breathe, Gav.
Okay.
It's fine. Okay?
Okay, small Rolex box.
Medium.
That's a medium Rolex box, everyone. Drum roll, please. There we go. Oh, the Riddler. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Riddler. The first one we've had through the door. Now, let's just get this little baby out. Tell me, box and papers? Lol.
Definitely.
Box and papers. Let's take a little look at this. It's ticking.
I feel like this is your time, Gav. Like this is your unboxing. This is your watch.
I need to just appreciate it for a second. Look at that, everybody. Absolutely beautiful. And actually, by the way, in the flesh, it does not look odd to me. Maybe just a little bit, because I keep now looking at the right-hand side for the time, where the green hand is for the GMT. But that looks absolutely stunning. I know there's going to be haters for this watch, without a doubt.
Yeah, but they'll probably still put their name on it, just to try and get it.
100%. I mean, this is going to... Let's get it on. Now, of course, being a left-handed person, I'm actually going to stick it on the correct wrist so that it does look right. So let's pop this on.
Oh no, it fits, Gav.
If the glove fits, Kaylie.
Oh no, it's like Cinderella.
Oh, come on. That does look right now, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
It does look right. So basically, everybody's just really got to wear it on the right wrist. It's going to be upside down in your watch shop, but that doesn't matter. Look at that, boys and girls. Stunning. What do we know? What do we know about this watch? This is the first time they've done a...
left-handed.
Is it the first time we've done left-handed?
I don't know if it's the first time, but...
We should probably Google that at some point.
I'm pretty sure that's what somebody said, but it is, let's say... in a while.
And it's the first GMT with a black and green
bezel,
which
by the way,
stunning.
I love.
The colours are amazing, aren't they?
It's yeah.
Now, is it? I'm just trying to see. Hold on a second. Is it kind of? It's not quite the Rolex green,
not quite,
is it?
but
no.
it's basically you know that. So I think it's the same green as what's on the obviously Starbucks bezel.
I like it. I really like
it.
Do
you?
I've got my name down. Spencer said he'd get them.
He did.
He did.
He knows what he said.
And he said he was paying for $35 for the first one, so I don't know if this is the first or second one to come in. Talking of the first or second one, let's take a look at the second, because if this is...
It could just be...
Is that going to be the Jubilee?
Who knows, Gav? Let me show you.
What value at BQ today? Not one unboxing, but two. It's the Jubilee. Wow. Oh, actually, dare I say it?
My opinion, love it on the Jubilee. Love it.
Interesting.
I think it is stunning on the Jubilee.
What do we think about that? It is beautiful. You know, we could be getting caught up in the hype a little bit, but let's put this into context. This is a GMT. Yeah, it's hard actually, isn't it? You know what I'm going to do? Could you mind doing me the honours? I'm going to double wrist it.
Are you?
Yep.
Double wrist it?
I'm a double wrister. That's it, on it goes. There we go. Wakanda forever. That's beautiful. Actually, I mean, I still prefer it on the.
Do you? Even obviously now you've actually got them in the flesh. It's not a picture.
I prefer it on the oyster, for me. Although the Jubilee is, and to be fair, actually, I would take either of them. I can't afford either of them, but I would take either of them. They're absolutely. You know what? It's a lovely piece. It's a really, really lovely piece, and super excited.
Do you know how? Can I tell the viewers a little story?
Yeah, of course.
Yesterday we get a call about this.
Yeah.
Have you got any in? We were like, I possibly have them coming in, but listen, we've been promised them a lot since people have been offering them, and they haven't come in. I said, so I will let you know if they come in, right? Came in, gave a call to my customer. I said, listen, it's coming. I've got one on a Jubilee, I've got one on an oyster.
One of each. Take
one
your
of
choice.
Each. Sent a picture, I want the oyster. I promise you guys, within an hour of buying it, paying the customer, them leaving, I had the watch sold.
So hold on, this one's already gone?
Gone.
Oh, schnitzels. Well, that's gone, isn't it? Okay. Well, that's good news, isn't it? Yeah, so much for softening the markets when the right watch comes in, and this is the one. Yeah, lovely. Actually, I don't own a GMT.
No, you don't.
And this is going to be my first one when I get one in about 7 years' time when the wait's over. But being a lefty, I think this is actually beautiful. Let's get the other one as well. So that one's gone, and this one is for sale.
This one is still for sale, yeah.
Okay.
And these have a new reference. So this is a 126720VTNR.
Vert Noir.
Vert Noir.
Green and black. So beautiful pieces. First ones we've had in. Absolutely stunning. I'm so pleased you gave me a call.
Of course, Gav. You're my first point of call.
I'm sorry that if I shocked you with the mask again, but I brought the mask in because I thought, yeah, if she's calling me and telling me to rush down here, it's a little surprise. It's a fantastic surprise. So sorry if I scared you with the mask again.
It's okay. I mean, it was a little bit scary, but
really,
it's
really
fine.
worth coming in for. So Kaylie, if anybody wants to buy on the Jubilee,
yeah,
give you a call. Do you know what?
Call.
Honestly, by the time I have this edited, I have a funny feeling this watch is going to be gone. I'm going to edit this film today. This will probably. Do you think it'll even get up on the website?
I would like it to.
Yeah.
Obviously, I'd also like to sell it, but
Yeah.
I'd like to get someone that can't get one. I'd like them to have it,
Yeah.
but I would like it to go up on the website. Do you know why? Because of the colour. I'd like to see it on our website because it's left-handed and the green. I just think, you know, like just for a picture perfect moment,
Yeah.
this is what this is.
Beautiful. I have to say, yeah, I mean, I find them both really gorgeous, and I don't see what the fuss is all about, actually, in reverse. I think it's just a question of your eye getting used to it. I have to say the Jubilee does look very, very nice. It really does.
I prefer it, but I think the watch is stunning on either a Jubilee or an oyster.
Yeah, no, really, really is gorgeous. I think everybody's going to be a bit surprised. It's interesting, actually, looking at it, and I don't know if you can see this maybe through the camera, but on the Jubilee, the bezel looks slightly smaller compared to the oyster. It really does look smaller. And obviously it's not.
It's not, but it's because...
The visual effect
Yeah.
of the strap.
Yeah.
So beautiful. So guys, we've got plenty more videos to bring you, probably the ones we filmed the other day, but this is a little surprise. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and
Comment.
and yeah, comment. Any watches you'd like to see. We had a few on our YouTube show from Monday. Any watches you want to see, do drop myself or Kaylie a line. You can get us on thatwatchguylondon@gmail.com or Kaylie@bqwatches.com. and we'd be happy to bring you some more new watches. Have a great day.
Bye, guys.